Dear learners, welcome everybody, welcome in my English class. Today I am going to discuss on narration. Listen, narration is very important for student or an examinee. Today we will learn how to change speech from direct to indirect. At first we have to know what is speech or narration. The speaker what says is called speech or narration. Narration is two kinds, direct and indirect. Today we will learn how to change speech from direct to indirect. Listen, if you want to learn speech, at first you have to know the tense, sentence and person. Tense is changeable thing in speech. At first you have to know the direct speech and the part of direct speech. Here I have given an example of direct speech. He said to me, I play football. Here out of inverted comma there is a sentence, he said to me. This part is called reporting verb, and under quotation marks or inverted comma there is a sentence which is called reported speech. If we want to change from direct to indirect, at first we have to give the tense of reporting verb. If it become present or future tense, the other part of direct speech which is called reported speech is not changeable of tense. Like he says to me, I write a letter. He says to me, I write a letter. Here if we change it, at first we have to change the says to. He tells me, and we have to put that against inverted comma, that the subject of reported speech is first person. If it become first person, we have to follow the subject of reporting verb. Now we will put he. There is no change of tense. He writes a letter. It has changed. Like this, the next example, he will say to me, you have played football. Here will say is in future tense and the reported speech will not be changed, and the answer will be he will tell me that you is here second person and it will follow the object of reporting verb. Me, the subjective form of me, I have played well. Like this, if the reporting verb in past tense, the reported speech will change. He told me that they, the subject of reported speech is third person. If it will be third person, there is no change of subject of reported speech. They had, tense will be changed. They had done the work. In this way, we can change the speech from direct to indirect. We have to remember that the change of tense. The change of tense is if reported speech be in present indefinite, it will be past indefinite. If it in present continuous, it will be past continuous. If it in present perfect, it will be past perfect. If it in present perfect continuous, it will be past perfect continuous. And then if it in past indefinite, it will be past perfect, and if it in past continuous, it will be past perfect continuous, and past perfect will be past perfect, and past perfect continuous will be past perfect continuous. This is the change of reported speech. If the reporting verb will be in past tense, but in present and future the reported speech will not change in tense. In this way we can change the reported speech and the direct speech to indirect speech. Thank you very much. See you again.